Hello, hello, hello again, everyone. How are you guys doing out there? Hope you guys are fantastic. So, welcome to my channel. And if you're new to me, guys, my name is Georgette, and just a little bit about my channel. So, I strive to inspire you, yes, and to motivate you. And in doing so, you may just transform your lives like I have done. And so, if you haven't subscribed, please do not subscribe as yet until the end. Watch, listen, and I do hope you would have gained some value. Then smash the subscribe and like, share, put your notifications on because I drop a video daily. Also, interact in the comment box below. YouTube algorithm loves interactions. They love to see the thumbs up, and I also love to see it, and I do respond to all your comments. Yes, I really do. So guys, today let me just talk about, this is a fun topic, is that why do we stop dreaming? As adults, we no longer dream and wish like little kids, and I remember my mentor in his new program, which I'm going to leave the link for that below, which is just amazing and mind blowing. He would say that you know how little kids, they play the doll houses and they're like Superman. Little boys think that they're the Superman, and parents would buy the little Superman cape and the Wonder Woman, and little kids really thinks that they are that way, and then they grow up into adulthood like we are, and we no longer dream. We no longer wish to be and to become the great person that we were born to be, to cultivate that greatness. We no longer dream. Why is that? It's because we are programmed. We are programmed from our parents. We are programmed from our grandparents. We're programmed from our parents' friends, our aunts, our uncles. And all we hear around us is complaining, and we can't do this, you can't do the next. But do you hear people are saying that they can do this and that they will do this, even though they don't know how to? Being optimistic. You see, that's not the world that we live in. And that's what puts a damper on our dreams. Yeah, the other day, I always like to talk about my younger daughter, because my older daughter does not live with me. She's coming into town soon. And, I wanted to do something, but it hadn't happened by the time that I wanted to do it. And then here goes my baby girl. Well, Mommy, you just had a wish. Mommy, because it affected her as well. I meditate and I visualize, but I can't force the universe, God, the Almighty, to give me the thing when I want. I plant the seed. I can't go out there. I can't force the fruit to come out of the ground. But because I understand the work that I am doing, I know that I can dream, and I can dream big. I know that I can wish for whatever I want, for the life that I want, because I am a co-creator. I create the life that I desire by dreaming, by wishing, by daydreaming. But you can't tell everybody that. Everybody don't understand that type of language, And so, but how do we really dream in a world of despair? How do we wish for greater for our lives in a world of so much negativity that surrounds us? Separate. Didn't I do my video about that the other day? Oh, I think I did that on my live on Facebook. Separate. This is the 1%. I remember when I started my journey, when my mentor said that. When you are striving for greater in your life, when you want to, my new word for 2021 is level up. That's my new word. I keep saying that on every video. That's my new motto. I got it. That's my new motto for 2021. Level up. When you are leveling up, you gotta separate. So How do we keep our dreams alive in 2021? Separate yourself. Because from being how old now? I think they say from 7 years old we stop dreaming, huh? Because now we are aware of what we physically seeing with our two eyes. We now becoming afraid. Our environment takes a toll on us and affects us. Our circumstances, we're affected by our circumstances and what we see with the two physical eye. And we now no longer dream. We used to be little kids that dreams and play Barbie with a Barbie doll, and the boys think that they're Ken and the girls think that they're Barbie and Superman and Wonder Woman. And then we get to be 8, 9, 10 years old and we no longer have a dream because we're programmed by every person that surrounds us. And all you hear is, I can't afford this. I can't do this. Oh boy, I'm so tired. Oh, I'm dead. All the negative, disempowering words. How do you keep your dream alive? I'm going to go back to what my mentor said. You have to separate yourself. That's the biggest one. That one really, really gets me when he says that. So to keep your dream alive, you have to really separate. You have to isolate. And I listen to Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma says, geniuses, to cultivate that genius in you, you got to place yourself in like a bubble. He was saying that persons go like into the woods for like, he said he himself goes into like the mountains for like about 3 weeks by himself. And all he does, he comes out to see the sunshine. He sees nature. He has a place up in the mountains. And he was doing a vlog and I watched it. And he does that to himself. He isolates himself. Let me tell you something. You have to isolate and separate. I have done that. I have been doing that for about a year now. The only person that really comes around is my baby girl, because I haven't seen my big girl. She's coming into town. We all haven't got together, even for the holidays and all of that, which that's what I wanted to happen, but it didn't happen. And so she's going to fly in town. My baby girl probably won't be here. But anyway, I hope that we all will be together very soon. And so, guys, you have to separate and you have to isolate. Have you ever seen like an artist? When an artist is painting, they separate, they isolate, and all day, all night, they're in front and they're doing a little brush, and to perfect the skill, to bring out the genius, that painting, to bring that out of you. To keep dreaming for your big goals, guys. You can't tell everybody. You cannot tell everybody. So keep on dreaming. Keep wishing and hoping. My daughter said, Mommy, it was just a wish. You was just dreaming? I said, yeah, I was. I said, you won't understand though. You know, because it didn't happen when it was supposed to happen. You know, and so the 99% won't understand when we dream so much. That's why I don't have gas. I really don't have gas for the year. Well, I had 1 or 2 persons when my vehicle was down, had to pick me up. But I really don't have gas because I have things all over my house. They're going to think Georgette has lost it. My walls are filled with pictures of what I desire. They're going to think Georgette have lost it. But guys, keep dreaming. Print out your dream. Become clear on what it is that you're desiring for yourself. We're no longer 7 and 8 years old, but we can still dream big. We can still dream for our goals and our dreams. And through meditation, when you quiet the mind, through meditation and visualization, you can really become clear on what it is that you desire for your life. So keep on dreaming, guys. Keep dreaming. Never stop dreaming for greater. You are a co-creator. All right. So, guys, I'm going to send you much love. Please keep watching. I'm going to leave your free gift below. And also in the link below, you will get a step-by-step guide, which will guide you, oh my gosh, in how to manifest, how to visualize, and how to arrive at your big goals and your dreams and your desires in record time. So I'm going to leave that link below as well. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and put your notification on, guys. Drop a comment in the box below. I'm going to leave you videos popping up. Thank you for watching. Keep watching the videos popping up. It's your girl, Georgette. I love you. I send you much love and light. Mwah. Bye-bye.